Hi guys, I'm playing Sakura and and I'm a ninja. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. I'm so high up jumping. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the restaurant cafe. So let's get back. Now, who's that kid? Who's that kid? Oh, the kid. Lulu. Ow, ow, ow. It's back. Oh, that's the cafe. Ooh, yay. I want to eat. Check that out. And action seat. Let's buy pizza. Eat. The yummy. I want it to be alive. Okay, you're alive. Yummy. I'm eating and it's not. Wow. The yummy. Okay, I'm done, guys. Is there a bathroom? Oh, it's a bathroom. I'm just gonna wash my hands because how I can. It's okay. Let's go outside now. Jump! Ooh, I'm a ninja. What's happening out there? Whee! Yay! Excuse me. Let's get our car. Let's pop in. Okay, we're gonna control it. I'm not that good at it, but it's okay. Oh. It's almost. Let's go somewhere. Oh, that's school. But we don't have any school. So, oh, my bad. There's no people in line. In a road, I mean road, not line. Oops. Okay, go. Let's go back. Oh, I'm crashing. Guys, let's go to the castle. Oh, I scratch again. Let's go out. Whoa, this is the castle. Ooh. Guys, I'll show it when I'm here at part 2. Bye!